Hi guys, Gilly Kube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, doing a little quick acrylic flip cup pour for you today. I've got this little, it's a little jewellery box, or a little box that I want to do for one of the granddaughters. So I will paint that separate, but I just want to do a flip cup pour with cells on the top of this particular one. I did go around the edges with some of the boom gel stain, and I do intend doing the other box I've got with the boom gel, but I've got some paints here and I wanted to see what I could get out of just a flip cup on there, because I just want to see if I can get the cells, and I'll let all the paint run over the edges. So that's what I'm doing for you today. So hopefully it'll just be a quick, the basic flip cup method, which is the first method that I ever done. What I thought was absolutely wonderful when I did it, because I got cells come up, but not when I look back at it, it was definitely nothing special, but I thought it was gorgeous. So you just improve, hopefully, from there on. So I'm hoping that maybe 1 cup will cover this. If not, that's fine, because I'll use some other paint to go around the edges. So this is kind of my citrusy colours that I had made up from a previous pour I've just done. So they're all the Mont Studio acrylics, made up with the 70/30 clear PVA glue Mont. If you're in the US and can't get the clear Mont craft glue, then I suggest you try the Helmar's glue all. I know that the Helmar's clear glue does not work with this, and neither do a lot of the other clear glues. It's only this particular clear glue that I have got to work equally as good as the Helmar's glue all. So yeah, that's my take on it all. So I've got the orange, yellow, what have I got? I made up kind of another yellow in there, but yeah, this is basically a citrus cup, isn't it? Oh, I forgot to add I've got some of my Berry Delicious that I wanted to put in there, so I might actually pour this in from a great height so it actually gets mixed with the other colours, because it looks beautiful with those other colours, because I've just done a pour that I absolutely love. So I'm going to see if it works in a flip cup pour. If not, I just scrape it off and I'll start again. So this is nice easy flip cup pour. Like I said, the recipe for my acrylic paint is in the drop down box underneath this video. You can do it 2 ways. The easier way for a beginner is to put it like this, turn it over. If you're good with the flick of the wrist, because you're used to doing it, then do it, just flip it over. So you can either put a little pin in that, it just lets the paint pop out a little bit easier. If not, just take your time and relax about it. I'll just run this white around the edge so it'll hopefully give enough paint to go over the edges, because I want this right over the edges, or I want some paint over the edges. So pouring that's absolutely fine, all good. Let's hope some magic happens. Let's hope. So easy wizzy, let's get busy. So I might do the flip. Oh goodness me, wowzers. Oh, look at those colours. Oh, I'm happy, Jan. That berry, it's my Berry Delicious that I custom make myself. I am loving it. Don't want too much of that to run off. It's a bit of a tricky one to hold on to, but it's all good. I want to run some of that berry down there, because that is deliciosa. Deliciosa. Is that a word, deliciosa? Or is it another Gilly word? Don't worry if it hasn't got right over on your edges, because you've got so much runoff you can finger pop it. With your runoff, you can either scrape your runoff onto a piece of plastic, so you've got, you can make skins out of. Oh, I like that. Oh, love those colours. Now, should I? Wheezy, easy wheezy, let's get busy. Put my Wonder Wand over it slightly, but I really like that. And I'm going to do the, oh, where is it? Can I find it? Can I find it? My liquid gloss. I'm going to, so it's a 2-part epoxy resin. I did try it for the first time the other day. Made a few mistakes, so I'm hopeful when I come to do some jewellery boxes that I can get a better outcome than I did the other day. Just going to quickly. Love those colours together. Oh my goodness. Oh, I've got cells down the side, which is cool. Cool. Wow. Where's this? Where's this? Okay, that was another quick creation for you. Just a flip cup. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just a fun, you know, you kind of 9 times out of 10 can't go wrong with a flip cup because you're not kind of messing with it too much. You're not swiping it or doing anything crazy with it. But I'll leave you with that quick little creation. And oh, look, my cup's got some of that gorgeous berry in it. Okay, I might really push the boundary here and try and see if I can get a bit more of that berry into the bottom. Oh, come on, baby. It's so cool, that berry with that. I like it. Now I want to go through there with the berry. Berry delicious. So yeah, I'll make that out of the darkest red in the Mont colours, the darkest red. And then I add phthalo blue, a blob of, because I don't measure anything, if you know. And then I add a little blob of black and it makes that gorgeous. I've christened it my Berry Delicious. Berrylicious. Berry Delicious. Oh, look at this popping up. Got some monster cells in there. Okay, that's how you make monster cells. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Very much appreciate. Till next time, bye for now.